this is Max from YWK Kitchen. Today I'm happy to introduce our gas for head stove, a versatile and cost-effective solution for your cooking needs. Let's explore its outstanding features. First, our gas for head stove is built with premium materials imported from Puxiang, South Korea. The countertop and the control panel are crafted with 304 stainless steel, 1.5 mm thick. The sizes are constructed with 430 stainless steel, 1.2 mm thick, providing stability and extending the stove lifespan. Featuring 4 burners, each with independent burner plates, our stove is easy to disassemble for effortless cleaning. The burners come with integrated step-dip pan, facilitating easy cleanup. With electric ignition, our stove offers quick and convenient startup. Additionally, the oven is equipped with a hot air circulation system, ensuring even heat distribution and preserving the authentic flavors of your dishes. Available in 400 mm or 800 mm length, our stove matches the standard size of many renowned European and American brands. The best part, our gas for head stove is offered at just 1/3 of their price, providing exceptional value without compromising quality. In summary, our gas for head stove combines premier materials, easy maintenance, even heat distribution, and affordability. Whether you are a professional chef or cooking enthusiast, this stove is a reliable and budget-friendly choice. Thank you for watching.